Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Truth and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria and the rest of the world. But now we'll start with Arsenal Football Club news. Today club news goes to plenty like mad. Yeah, let's begin. Arsenal don't defeat Watford 1-0 to climb to 5th for table. The first half no really yield anything as it ends 0-0. Then Aubameyang also missed penalty for 36 minutes as Saka goal sef with Baba score. They rule him out for offside. And so first half they end. Then for second half, Smith-Rowe opened the deadlock for 56 minutes to make him 1-0. So the match they end overall. If you check the table now, you will see say Arsenal don't climb, go 5th. So they're very happy with the team, so now so everything take end. Meanwhile, West Ham and Liverpool will come play later in the day. West Ham shock everybody as West Ham beats Liverpool 3-2. As in myself, I shock. This West Ham why they think say maybe Liverpool will beat them, so that we and them will come dey equal on points. West Ham no gree. West Ham come beat a whole Liverpool now. Now Liverpool they ahead of us with 2 points. West Ham don't climb higher. This season, West Ham might be the revelation of the season because I never know. They won't go Champions League. What be their plan? They won't carry the league. I never know what they carry for mind. Well, what they watch and time will tell because even at the same West Ham, we say on a good day, now average team then be like that kind of 10, 11, 9 they're supposed to be end. Or now they fight for top 4. I don't understand. Don't be say the two better players like that. Now system of the same. Just add for Zuma, add 1 or 2 people. But this for now, the guy they inform like mad. Well, even Antonio self they inform. Well, more they watch ya. The match where Arsenal play against Watford, now be Arteta 100th game in charge of Arsenal, and so far so good. Arsenal can win Watford 1-0. So I want to know what people now assessment of Arteta. Like what I asked Babasato for the live update. I say it just be like politician we just enter office newly. He can't date 100 days in office that they call him. So how you go to assess Arteta 100 days or in office? Maybe the scheme from when we start and where we did now. Shall we progress and we will regress? Which one we do? So let me know for the comment section. Before the match we play against Watford, so Sky Sports can interview our director, what they call Josh Kroenke. You know, so now be the picking of the owner will be Stan Kroenke. So they can interview and can ask him, say how far now the way Arsenal they go. Say I did see everything. So Baba content as things stand now. See, you see they get a lot of areas we need improvements. The last transfer window, but they can try to improve some places. Not be everywhere they don't improve. So they happy with the little ones we them buy for that transfer window we don't pass. So hopefully they will still progress more and improve more areas. I would say the more areas we Baba they talk about now those kind of striking department, and maybe they will get one more defensive midfield player because all this kind of Granit Xhaka they still find their square root one day get because they don't the old now. If we plan for the future, we say all the back now. Their age range now like maybe 23 to 25. So midfield now we need to get the same age range. Then forward, that's why the reason Vlahovic say okay, the guy at 21 years old, make them buy and make it come groom with the people who don't get, so that all of them will be the same average age range. So that as they go forward, all of them will learn the same thing, they grow. Don't be say one person will get 32 years, other people will call it 24 years. They don't get the same lifespan now. You get go football, you get 30. Not be everybody be Ronaldo will go 36 years, constantly perform at the highest level. So that's what Baba they talk. So say overall they get the vision. And you say this guy will have a young crop of players and we have a young manager. So they want to make everybody they grow together, they get experience together, make them they enjoy their wins and their losses together and grow. Well, what they want that's everything. I get controversy when they fly all over social media as people they debate whether that goal where Smith-Rowe score against Watford is supposed to stand. I be not supposed to stand because when Baba won't score that goal, you know, say one Watford player did for grand and another Watford player said can't kick the ball out like say they won't go do counter attack. That's what me I see him. So I say kick him out and player can't collect them. They get plenty touches will happen before Smith-Rowe can wipe that shot, he can't enter net. So the controversy now be say she Arsenal supposed to give them the ball, say that guy don't fall for ground and the controversy. So the goal supposed to stand. I be no go stand. What do you say about this controversy? Shall we feel say they're supposed to rule out that goal? Because even VAR have checked the incident. VAR is nothing with the incident because the guy gone later the guy can't stand up, which means there was nothing serious. He just did it to waste time. So what you do now own opinion about this thing? Even your right self when they for pundit duty for the match between Arsenal versus Watford, when they ask your right, say, how did you see that ball? Say they're supposed to rule out the goal, and they're not supposed to rule them out. So back on talk, say for him, or say if he talk now, they go talk, say maybe they talk with bias for Arsenal. But the truth be say nothing do that guy. Say okay, see now the guy don't stand up already. If you say something serious, they with that. We supposed to stay there. Say he stood up. So what if we say they will cancel the goal? Say nothing do the guy. And there were many touches. Say even VAR we don't do for the field, don't check am. Say nothing do. And what are people complaining about? But just the para they talk plenty because myself I see am and I don't see anything where they wrong with the ball. So those people they talk from a vexation point of view. And no one make Arsenal win. At the same time, a media setting, the corner he asked Mikel Arteta, say, "Oh my, you don't see what Aubameyang don't do now, but I don't miss penalty now, like back to back. You get, you go sit there and say making the take penalty because it don't make sense now. We say Lacazette go fight for penalty finish, give him, he go come go balloon the ball. So everybody don't understand where in they play penalty. You know, no say supposed to be change. If you want play center, play and ground. If you want play center, or play and up. Nobody say you go play half center, half right." So Babakar talk say, well, as it stand now, say Aubameyang then be their penalty taker. So unless now Aubameyang go by himself decide say, Omo Kochi, Omo bless everybody don't know my style, I no go fit plan again. Okay, Lacazette come wine this one, or maybe Gabriel, or maybe Martinelli or Odegaard or Saka, okay, come play this one. So now you go decide. No be say because person miss one, miss again, can't say one change. And no be so now. Say they happen like that. Say himself, she himself play football. It happen. If he miss Fena, nobody know if he miss Fena. You get? They don't write anybody say for your life. Now Bruno Fernandes will say they score 100% penalty. You don't miss. So now so it just be. So everybody just cut the guy some slack and leave him alone. But Jamie Carragher said don't come outside from media set. They disagree with Josh Kroenke when they talk say Arsenal get vision, Arsenal get this one. They don't buy player. This one. So why be saying now we be say they no go Europe? That is why they can't reason their brain content and say okay we have to spend the money now. Say now lie. Say the truth be say now because of that Super League thing will happen. So if to say no be that Super League thing, Arsenal for no buy players because that Super League can't open people eye. Can't say these owners they no get brain. You get. They can't para for them, so they can't use that buying of players. They bribe the club people, the supporters forum and the club. Let them say, okay, we have where we are going. Say now, who they talk and Kroenke out again? Nobody they talk Kroenke out now. Say okay, all those time where Arsene Wenger dey, why they not invest this kind of money? His father was a billionaire till then. So why they not invest this kind of money for Arsene Wenger, help and buy players? Instead, they were selling the best crop of players. They just build any star. Boom, they don't sell them. Say why now? Why are you investing now? You were there all these years. They take over this club 2018 now. So why they not buy players since then? Why be saying now? Then they come to say okay, this is the right time to invest, and we have a young manager. So when the guy know they talk all those things and they say he no believe the guy. So now just that Super League now push their hand because fans when they revolt the para. So they know they talk all those things. So now those when go deceive, when go feel deceive. At the same time, Ranieri himself will be coach of Watford come and say after the match when they tell Mikel Arteta, Baba see what your people they do now. Why they not throw away the ball that time? Why they not do like this guy? I don't like what you they do. Mikel, you know say you be my boy, and I will tell you say we not supposed to give us the ball after our player don't fall down. Instead, now come continue to the play on. No be so life be, no be so life be. So Mikel call the classic, Baba calm down now. Baba calm down. No they talk like this now. Our players they play very well. You get they know they do why you get. If they say the guy na serious injury, then go throw ball and referee have no play anything. Meanwhile, now I want to counter attack. So Baba know they shout for me, Jare. Baba no two of them they argue. Well, at the end of the day, they can't drag Mikel Arteta. Me no go turn say Mikel Arteta go punch the guy now. You know that kind of thing because the temper don't they flare up. So they just carry Claudio Ranieri go one side, don't carry Mikel Arteta go one side. So at the end of the day, the controversy continues. Like at the ask now, what you notice is supposed to happen? Should the goal supposed to stand? I be making no stand. I be asking supposed to give them the ball. I be asking who's supposed to give them the ball. Make una let me know for the comment section how the team do now. At the same time, for media settings, so Mikel Arteta they can't ask him about that incident. So Baba can't talk say anyway, it don't happen. They say it don't happen. Say it don't because that's how when they argue with Ranieri, he never really see what happen. But now in the year, say Ranieri they vex, say Arsenal they play while you say Arsenal no get sportsman like behavior. Say then no Baba just the para. So say okay. If he feel say Arsenal offender, say I beg go make him no vex. Say in they apologize to him now. But what is up? Be say he no fit dey. Me one coach come dey tell am say players no get sportsman like behavior. Say they very rude. They know the sportsmanship. Kini go no the yarn dust. Say Arsenal like this who apologize and say if you feel say Arsenal don't cheat you, I beg no vex. So but I don't like this. I go defend my players 100%. I know the kind of people why they train. You get, you know they do wayo and they defend people. If you fall for ground, legit, they will give you ball. Don't be say after your player fall, your own player won't come kick ball out, then go pass another person. Our own player come catch a card, they someone will give them ball the ball. Who they do like that? Mommy now they yarn me that thing. I bet ask me another question. So the point they ask me that I say, Baba, how far now? What to make the party no play the game? So Baba can't say, well, what is up for party? We say the guy get tight groin. So I think get tight groin. That is why he no can't play the match. Because they can't gas use his limit like Niles. And the truth be say, Niles really played very, very well for that match. If you watch him, Niles was a very different player for that match, and he did very, very happy with the guy because this guy had fullback before. All of a sudden, they come to say, Coach, I want to play for midfield. Yes, put me there. I go play well for you. I go make you proud because okay, no, you wanna. I go try you out for there. And I already tried the guy out. The guy playing time for midfield, and the guy they play very, very well. Like him, they very proud of the guy. Say, this guy want to adapt to the new philosophy, to the new things what they tell him making do. So that's why you just be my people. According to our monitoring speed, that they call El Nacional, with the USA Madrid don't tell Arsenal say they go pay £34 million for Asensio if they need them. Again, no say this guy has surplus to requirements for there, and we say we need them because we don't get a winger apart from Martinelli and maybe Saka once in a while. We don't get person to say professionally in job like in they known for driving like. They drive direct, back, give person, back, leg over, move, all those kind of level. You know along they play, you telling they play, all those kind of things. And maybe Saka they do them, but no other person they drive. Aubameyang and get for flank, they waste, flop, they play very well. No old age don't come, so that's why with the reason this Asensio before now, you don't tell us how much it will cost us, £34 million. Now get the money, cash and carry. When I get the money, I bring and come collect her. Well, everything in January, we can just know how January we sign somebody. Surprise, Daniel Levy don't assure Antonio Conte say, you see that Vlahovic, do some Vlahovic of Florentina with the boss net anyhow. I go get the guy for you, no fear, nothing they up. Nothing that them we won't get this guy. Until the reason say they will sell Kane. They don't want to sell Kane again. The deal can't go cold. But now the Arsenal don't agree terms, everything with Florentina CEOs. So Levy don't enter the table back, say okay, go try to bring the guy because no say Conte they used to playing with a big striker up front. Now your philosophy be that, so we don't tell them to get that guy for him because he never understand Kane no dey inform again this season, and hopefully the way things look, Kane if he move to Man City next season or for January itself, who knows. So this why we say we don't get two cat race now, and this one now two North London teams don't they go fight for this guy. And you know say as Arsenal don't agree deal with the CEOs of Florentina, they never really agree terms and conditions with Dusan Vlahovic. So that one still they saw maybe in January shall we really know where everything will go, because if now by money Arsenal already accept the money, so we will pay that money. So not really Tottenham Hotspur go do. Tottenham Hotspur still agree say okay the money we will pay and so now two of them will come they argue. Two of them will come go meet the player, come table their own projects for the player. The player will come choose the best projects. Now the thing they solve with that. More they watch ya. So my dear football lovers, now here will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you say we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us, and God bless you, and have a nice day.